Hey guys, what's up? This is Tristan with Moving Around Atlanta, and I wanted to come to you to give you a sneak preview of one of my upcoming sites in Cedar Creek out here near Acworth and between Acworth and Woodstock, Georgia. It's a great retreat away from the city. It's out here past the city of Atlanta limits. But enough talking, let me just let you see what's going on. I don't have anything that I can walk through as of now because we don't have any models open and ready to show right now. But like I say, it's just a quick sneak preview of what we have coming up. As you can see, you're going to get plenty of yard. These are going to be 4, 5, and 3s. Bedrooms, that is. There are plenty of lots that are still available. I'm going to drive around the neighborhood in a little bit to let you see. But these are going to be beautiful. You're going to have 4 different plots to be able to choose from. And I'll be back out here to show you guys what the inside looks like soon. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.